So the biggest challenge in the construction industry is the dust. We are working with topsoils, muds, bricks, concrete blocks and everything. The dust is impossible sometimes to keep it away. We rent the road sweeper 3 times per week for about 4 hours. We decide to buy a Powerbrush sweeper because we need it always on our side and the costs are low than to hire a road sweeper. One of the benefits of having a Powerbrush sweeper, you can collect all the dust inside and discharge in a safe place. When our site team seen first time the Powerbrush, they was very happy because with the road sweeper it was coming 3 times a week, and another 2 days we were struggling to keep the dust as low as we can. But with the Powerbrush in here, we have no dust pollution. The best advantage on having a Powerbrush sweeper is the pressurized water, which you do not find it on another sweepers. We fill up the Powerbrush once a day and this lasts all the day. With the normal Powerbrush, you just clean the roads. With the curb brush, we clean the curbs as well. To be honest, on all of the sites which I've been, and I'm working in this industry for 7 years, always I'm seeing Conquip, because the Conquip team and all the equipment are very good and they help us a lot.